Welcome to our list of the top 10 luxury cars in the world. These vehicles represent the best of the best when it comes to style, performance, and comfort. Number 10 on our list is the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. This British beauty is powered by a 715 horsepower V12 engine and has a top speed of 211 miles per hour. With its sleek design and opulent interior, the DBS Superleggera is a true luxury car. At number 9 is the Rolls-Royce Phantom. This iconic car is known for its extravagant features, including a champagne fridge, massaging seats, and a retractable hood ornament. The Phantom is powered by a 563 horsepower V12 engine and has a top speed of 149 miles per hour. Next up at number 8 is the Bentley Continental GT. This car boasts a 626 horsepower W12 engine and a top speed of 207 miles per hour. The Continental GT also features a luxurious interior with hand-stitched leather seats and a wood-trimmed dashboard. At number 7 is the Mercedes-Maybach S650. This car is a masterpiece of engineering and luxury, with a 621 horsepower V12 engine and a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The Maybach S650 also has an opulent interior with massaging seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a Burmester audio system. Number 6 on our list is the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ. This Italian supercar is powered by a 759 horsepower V12 engine and has a top speed of 217 miles per hour. The Aventador SVJ also features a carbon fiber exterior and a leather-wrapped interior. At number 5 is the Bugatti Chiron. This car is a true engineering marvel, with a 1,500 horsepower W16 engine and a top speed of 261 miles per hour. The Chiron also features a luxurious interior with leather and carbon fiber accents. Next up at number 4 is the Porsche 911 Turbo S. This sports car is powered by a 640 horsepower flat-six engine and has a top speed of 205 miles per hour. The 911 Turbo S also features a luxurious interior with leather seats and a high-quality audio system. At number 3 is the Ferrari 812 Superfast. This Italian supercar is powered by a 789 horsepower V12 engine and has a top speed of 211 miles per hour. The 812 Superfast also has a luxurious interior with leather seats and a carbon fiber dashboard. Number 2 on our list is the Maserati Quattroporte. This car is powered by a 523 horsepower V8 engine and has a top speed of 191 miles per hour. The Quattroporte also features a luxurious interior with leather seats and a premium audio system. Finally, at number 1 on our list is the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This car is the ultimate in luxury, with a 6.7-liter V12 engine and a top speed of 150 miles per hour. The Cullinan also has an opulent interior with massaging seats, a refrigerated compartment for champagne, and a retractable hood ornament.